Mama and Papa named me Mackay, but Granddad calls me Bird. That's what he used to call me anyway. Granddad passed about a year ago. Now that Granddad's gone, his best friend Sonny looks out for me. Once I told Uncle Son I wish I could play the saxophone like Charlie Parker. Uncle Son just shrugged. That other bird, he's alright, but don't you waste your time trying to be like him. You just remember that everybody got their something, and that includes you. I like to draw. I'm not real good at it yet, but I try to practice every day. I draw the things I see in my neighborhood, buses and trees and buildings and people, but mostly I like to draw birds. When I was little, I needed someone to look out for me. My big brother Marcus used to do that, but he can't anymore. Marcus told me there was a place high above the clouds where everything was calm and still. Sure can't find no peace in the street, Marcus would say. I guess that's why he went up on the roof. My big brother Marcus used to be real good at art. He was the one who taught me how to draw. Granddad said real art belonged in a museum. Marcus said our hood was his museum. He said the street was where he belonged. My big brother's sick, and I don't know how to help him get better. When I'm drawing, I can fix stuff that's messed up just by rubbing my eraser over the page. Uncle Son says you can fix a broken wing with a splint and a bird can fly again, but you can't fix a broken soul.